Hello class, this is Edwin. Executive summary. Volunteer program, training in 2 weeks, stay healthy, be useful for our community. Why is very significant to solve that matter? Because Earth is matter. This project seeking to provide a translator medical service to the large group of Asians living in the area. That is matter. That's why I propose this project interpretation to medical health user at the Kings County Hospital in New York, Brooklyn, to support some people. There are lack of access to healthcare service because the social inequalities. A lot of people are living in USA with permanent resident card, but they might need to spend between 6 to 12 months or up to learn how to speak English. But I believe that's not fair to wait until this long period without see a doctor. A lack of access to healthcare may use some inconvenience, especially for pregnant women and children who need to be vaccinated. In other words, they will need to follow up with the doctor, but they need a translator because that lead to a deficient communication between patient and healthcare providers. That's why I think this project will help them. Project implementation and strategies. That project based on volunteering, offering an opportunity to young Asian medical students to give them um, an opportunity to work as a volunteer. Okay. What are the requirements? We're looking for 30 young volunteer medical students, 15 males, and then 15 females. First of all, being a medical student. Second, speak Asian Creole or French, then speak English as well. Have your permanent alien card, living in this area, Brooklyn, New York. Background check or police check. How long the project will take to getting done on time. Training. Training will be in 2 weeks. Also, the training will be based on medical ethics. I mean, how you should treat the patient and everything. After the training, each student will take an exam. After the exam, we will see who is qualified because we took 30 students, but we need 25 students. Some of them will be supervisors and others will be translators. Follow up. And after all that, to follow up with this project, we will request feedback for patients to make sure um, everything's all right. And then with workers, all staff, to evaluate the quality of interpretation service offered by the project. What are the benefits for the workers? To sum up, that project will be benefit for all students as a work experience in their resume. Also, the patient will have a better service, and even the hospital will receive more patients every single day. That's it. Thank you.